Hello friends. The Department of English of KKM College Manvat welcomes you for this special activity on the occasion of 113th birth anniversary of a versatile genius, a man par excellence, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. The visionary leader, an extraordinary statesman, Dr. Ambedkar has gifted us with his scholarship through his ahead of time, studious and offbeat analysis on various subjects. The legacy of this great man is found in various books he wrote on the subjects like history, economics, politics, culture, social ideology, and some other. Out of these, a few books are chosen for this activity. The books such as Buddha or Karl Marx, Pakistan or Partition of India, Rise and Fall of Hindu Women, Castes in India, Ranade, Gandhi and Jinnah, and Waiting for a Visa will be introduced through this platform as a fitting tribute to this great man by our students Prem Chauhan, Rasika Joshi, Nisha Ghagarmale, Pratiksha Gonge, Saraswati Bhise and Prithvi Dhawale respectively. Your response to this activity matters us a lot. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Prithvi Dhawale of BAFY KKM College Manvat. I welcome your presence on this digital platform. I am here to interact with you on the special occasion of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar birth anniversary celebration through introducing on his book under book club activity initiated by Department of English of our college. So friend, today I am going to review a well-acclaimed autobiography, Waiting for a Visa, written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It is divided into 6 different parts, which includes 6 units and divided into 6 different parts. So I shall explain unit first, in which Dr. B.R. Ambedkar share their experiences with us and the difficulties which occurred in his life and when he was age of 9, and mostly moral issues and the conflicts between touchables and untouchables. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar heartily expressed his feeling when he faced consequence. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was faced difficulties in his life and began with the events that have happened to him in his own life. The reality shown through this book is that who wants more success in his life, who will face more difficulties and conditions, those are no one can face easily. It is proved by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's experiences shared with us via this book. So I chose this book, and also I have most powerful reason for choosing this book is that it is the autobiography of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who was played vital role in shaping our constitution. So friends, contents of the book. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar tells us that his family originally came from Dapoli Taluka of Ratnagiri of the Bombay Presidency. His father was Subedar. He retired on his retirement. There was an incident which occurred in his life, and that event changed his life. He firstly realized that he belonged to untouchables category, and the incident was that his father wanted to meet him and spend some time with their children. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his brother went to Koregaon and spent some summer vacations with their father. He said that we children doubly excited over the prospect, especially none of us had a time to that seen the railway train. We were made lot of preparation. We four children remained on the platform, looking for our father or his servant who had promised to send. Long did they waited, but no one turned up. When station master saw them, asked him, "Who are you?" Then Dr. Ambedkar said that we are Mahars, which is a community that belonged to untouchable in Bombay Presidency. His face underwent sudden change. We could see that he overpowered by the strange feeling of repulsion. After half an hour, he returned and asked to Dr. Ambedkar and his sibling was proposed to do. Dr. Ambedkar says that if you would give us cart on hire, we start for go to Koregaon, and if it is not far, then we would like to start straightway. But the problem is that no cartman ready to drop Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to Koregaon. But the station master asked to him, "Anybody of you can drive the cart?" Then Dr. B.R. Ambedkar responded yes and ready to drive the cart, and journey was started. After some time, the cartman was ready to drive the cart, and ultimately by midnight, cart reached at the toll collector's hut. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his brothers was very hungry and wanted to very much to eat. But again there was the question of water. He asked to their driver if he give us some water or get possibility of water. Then driver said that toll collector was a Hindu, and if you spoke that you are Mahars, there is no possibility of getting water. You say you are Musalmans. You ask Musalmans. Then, on his advice, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar went to toll collector's hut and asked him if you would give us some water. Then toll collector inquired, "Who are you?" Then Dr. B.R. Ambedkar replied, "We were Musalman." He conversed with him in Urdu, which he knew very well. So toll collector doesn't have any doubt he was a real Musalman. But the trick did not work, and the toll collector's reply was very curt. He said that, "Who has kept water for you? Who has kept water for you?" Then Dr. B.R. Ambedkar embarrassed and go to their spot, and at morning 5, cartman was come and suggested to start to Goregaon. But Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said that we could not move until 8 o'clock. He left at 8 a.m. and reached at the Koregaon at 11 a.m. And his father was surprised to see them and tell that we have no received a intimation of your coming. Then subsequently it was the fault of my father's servant, said the Ambedkar. He received their letter but failed to give it to my father. And this incident is plays a very important role in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's life. When it happened, he was a child of 9 years. He knew very well he was belonged to untouchables, but never before he gave a big shock as that time he received. But Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Dr. B.R. Ambedkar think that it is the he was a boy of 9 when it happened, but it has left in his indelible impression on his mind. He knew that he was untouchable. While in the school, he knew that the children of touchables classes, when they felt thirsty, could that quench their thirst. But their position was separate. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar felt thirsty. The permission of teacher was not enough. The permission of teacher was not enough. The presence of peon is necessary, and the peon was not available when he had to go to without water. The situation summed in the statement, no peon, no water. This is the incident. This incident placed an important role in his life, and it is made him to think incident happened was with him a matter of course, as it many more untouchables and touchables. Conclusion. Waiting for a Visa is an autobiography of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It was originally written in English language by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. After some time, it was translated in Hindi language. And I learned from this book is man can be destroyed but cannot be defeated. Dr. Ambedkar faced so many difficult situations in his life, but he fight with them, and now he know to every person in each country. So friends, please read this book as per my request through this interaction. Thank you friends.